the last class we create these three curves. If you want to turn off this reference image, first select this and visibility related options available here. Click and hold when this icon appear and then move in the left side. So it will turn off. Then you can select all the curve. Now I create next curve. So I click outside. First I enable the reference image. So click on the reference image plane and then click and drag in the right side. So it will turn on. Now I maximize this area by pressing Alt and scroll wheel. Then I create this curve with the help of CV curve tool. So I choose create curve tool, CV curve tool. I start creating from this point. If you want to create a smooth curvature, create multiple points nearby. Now I press enter key, so curve creation will complete. Then I click on the object select menu. Now I zoom little bit and fix the curvature related problem. Choose move tool, then move little bit upside. I think curvature is already very much smooth. Then click on the object type button. Now I zoom out a little bit. After creating this curve, it's time to apply a surface tool for creating 3D model with the help of these curve. First I select this oil tank curve with the window selection, but you can see the pivot position is not correct. For changing the pivot position, you can use D keyboard shortcut or insert key. When you press D or insert key, a circle will appear around this gizmo. Now you can change the pivot position with the arrow handles. I move in the downside and then zoom this area. If you want to snap this pivot on the curve, press C for curve snapping, then click and hold on the circle area and then hover your mouse. Now release your mouse and then click and drag again. Now you can see it's not moving in the right side. It's mean it's snapped to curve. Pivot snapping with curve is little bit tricky. If you are not able to snap to curve, no problem. You can apply surface without snapping also. Now I press D key so pivot icon will change. Same as you have to select other curve and then place pivot position in the center. So press D key again and move in the downside. Same as I select this and then place here. I snap this pivot, so I press C for curve snapping and then click on hold on the center, then move. When you release your mouse, then move again, so it will snap like this. Then release your mouse and then press D key, so pivot turn into a normal icon. Now you can apply surface tool on these curves. So first I select this, then go to surface, revolve and then click on the setting button. First you have to reset all these settings, so click on the edit menu and reset settings. For creating a smooth surface, you have to increase the segment number. You can choose 26 or 32. More segment means more smoothness. 26 also a very decent value, so I choose 26, then click on the apply button, then click on the close. A surface will be created. Now I press spacebar to change the viewport layout and then maximize this perspective viewport. You can see a smooth surface is created. Same as I apply surface on these curves, so I switch to side viewport again. Go to surface menu again, then click on the revolve. You can click here also because settings are already changed. Now I select this one and then apply surface again. So surface creation is complete for these three curves. For changing the shading related option, click on the shading menu and then click on the wireframe on shaded. Keyboard shortcut is Alt 5. Now you can see the segment on the surface. If you want to see this surface in wireframe, press 4 numeric key. So shading will change into wireframe, and by pressing 5 numeric key, shaded view will be applied on the surface. In the next class, we create other curve and apply revolve surface tool for converting a curve into a 3D model.